Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Masterclass with Tapa. This is the place for new age management skills and lifestyle tips for your budding managers like you all. So today's topic is all about team culture. Culture is one of the key drivers of your organization's success, yet it is considered to be a nebulous mix of ideas, action, and events. On the surface, culture appears to be unmeasurable and therefore unmanageable. But in fact, there are few well defined inputs to help you to create a culture of engagement that leads to success. Team culture is defined as the values, goals, and the ways of working of a team of people in a workplace. Traditionally, team culture is exhibited by the typical corporate image that most companies maintained, while many new organizations have let it go of the strict dress codes, and after hybrid, everyone is not going for that strict dress code. Companies aim to maintain a level of professional appearance as part of their branding. These companies employ traditional team cultures so they can operate in a risk-averse manner and manage expectation among the employees. The traditional team culture is common among organizations that values a certain level of professional conduct from employees. Before you can take a note of this, it is always a bad thing. Enterprise business with the international workforce may find that employees in different regions have their different expectation for that very team culture should look alike. Some of the expect and feel more comfortable in the traditional culture and may even view a less traditional culture as a negative. People first culture is a type of team culture that focuses on its employees, the value, the welfare, and the satisfaction of the employees as a critical part of their work performance and how they contribute to the organization quest achieve in its goal. Putting the needs of workers first fits into the current employee engagement and mentoring trends. The idea behind the people first company culture is that if your employees feel good and they are happy with their job, they are more likely to perform better. In addition, happy and engaged employees are better team player, obviously. You need this kind of attitude to foster a strong team culture and collaboration. If I may say so, the following indicator of a people first team cultures are: the employees frequently socialize outside the office, team members are conscious of and take into account the concern and the struggles of the colleagues, people from different departments work well together and get along. Inclusive team culture put diversity, equality, inclusion, and belonging at the forefront of his people's strategy. This type of team culture places large emphasis on ensuring all the team members are welcomed, their ideas are championed and supported equally, and access to the leadership and resource take into account an historical thing. There may be some indicators of a company with a DEI culture. Employees are viewed as human beings and not as a company resources. The company offers opportunities for employees to develop their full potential. The organization provides engagement, support structure to provide a work environment that employees find challenging and motivating. To allow employees to influence vital company decisions, especially those affecting their work quality, to personalize an employee benefit to fulfill their needs is very, very important to have an engaging culture. Then we should know about the high performance culture. Create a shared understanding why the job is important. Building the definition of what your company is all about is something that you should not be taking lightly. High performance means all the employees, all the team members of your company want to give 100% or more. You want to inspire confidence, have a clear vision why you or your business matters. Without a clear mission statement, your company is basically asking for customers to blindly trust you and give you their money, which is not going to happen in this current world. To create your mission, to think about what differentiates you from your competitors. What do you aim for? What you can offer potential customer that will make a difference into the lives of their businesses. How can you make impact on your field? A high performing team culture prioritize quality over quantity in the performance and always strive to excel in their field. This work environment may often consist of high performing individuals who are the leaders in their field and are working their way towards becoming industry leaders. These individuals can often known considered the domain experts. That said, companies with high performance culture tend to recognize the type of experience, skills needed for the high performance must be cultivated internally. High performance teams tend to put a large amount of time, energy, resources into training and development of their team. Competitive culture, developing a competitive team culture is tricky. If done wrong, you will find yourself with a toxic work environment on which you hand rather than quickly. However, being competitive as a prevailing culture in your organization does not always have to be a bad thing. Competition is healthy as long as you work to avoid the issues of shame or negative social, emotional, or job based consequences for not being that the winner. You can build a great culture around competitiveness while maintaining a team first mentally. That's especially the case if you are competitive culture to build around your competition with the market or the business competitor instead of competing internally against each other. We should not be doing this. So friends, if you all like my thought, give my channel a huge thumbs up, share it, comment it, and if you all like my management's Gyan, so-called Gyan, so subscribe to my channel, visit my website in the same name, and follow me on the social media. So till I meet next, bye for now. Thank you.